Yes guys, I hope you can hear me. So literally on my way to one location, I literally spotted this. So it's like a fun fair. The lights look absolutely incredible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and capture some long exposure stuff here as well, and show you how I'll go about shooting it. That there looks amazing. And then there's a really tall ride over there. I want to try and capture that long exposure. Trying to get those lights. Hopefully it gets a bit darker as well, so we'll get some of that. So first stop, I reckon I'll go over to that tall ride over there, and while it's spinning I'll try and get some long exposure shots there, and I'll show you guys my settings and everything like that. All right, let's do this. So guys, the first shot I want to get is of that ride. Can you see it spinning? I'm gonna make it long straight away. I'm gonna shoot for 10 seconds, ISO at 100, f point is at 22. All right, see what we get. This one comes out. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna shoot for a little bit less actually, because it's quite dark. Let me set my timer to shoot after 2 seconds. All right, let's do this. 6 seconds. Yep, I'm loving that already. Let me zoom in a bit to it. Yeah, looks amazing. So the next shot I want to get is literally by that massive ride. There's like a helter-skelter, I think that's what it's called, with all the lights. I'll zoom in there so you guys can see it in my camera. So I literally want to try and get just that helter-skelter. 6 seconds, f point at 22 and ISO at 100. So I'm shooting in manual focus, sorry, autofocus, but I might try manual afterwards. Loving that. So guys, I've now literally come opposite the place I was shooting before. I hope you guys can see it clearly. I'm gonna go for the same ride, and then I'm gonna move further down to the left to try and get some of the rides there. I also have my drone with me, so I might try and take it up as well and see what we can get. So same settings for this one. When it starts moving, let me just switch the settings back. So my settings are 10 seconds, f-stop at 22. I'm gonna move my ISO to 100. The biggest problem I have with this view is the cars going by, but we'll take it anyway. Hopefully we'll get a bus going by as well. All right, let's do this. All right, the ride's now moving. Yeah, the biggest problem is the cars going by, but it might add to the effect, so we'll see how it goes. Love that. So guys, so I've come to the same side of the road as the fun fair, and I want to get that merry-go-round. I know the fence is in the way, but it still looks kind of cool anyway. The biggest problem I have is the fence, and for some reason my tripod's leaning, but that looks cool. Let's go one more. I'll put the settings on the screen. So yeah guys, this is the fun fair. The biggest problem is just finding the angles to get the rides without going in. So yeah, it was just a quick stop off, long exposures at a fun fair. Alright, let's go to the actual location I was planning on going to. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me, but This is the spot I originally wanted to come to. I'm on top of a bridge above like a dual carriageway, and in the distance you can see the O2 Arena. So what I wanted to do is get some long exposure shots here, and maybe try and get the O2 and then get some light trails on the cars, and I'll show you guys my settings. So this is the venue, or this is the location that I wanted to come to originally. So guys, the shot I'm aiming for now is, well, the first shot I'm going for is literally the O2 Arena in the distance with the cars going by. Hopefully I'll get some nice trails. My settings are, I'm going to shoot for 6 seconds, f-stops at 7.1, and then I'm going to put my ISO to 100. Alright, and it's going to shoot after 2 seconds. So it's taking the shot now. Hopefully we get some nice trails in there. Yeah, I like that. So one more, I've zoomed in a little bit more. So we'll try and get that. We have the police, I think they were going to stop for me there. So guys, what I've done now is I've tilted my camera down a little bit, so we're shooting a lot more of the motorway. Hopefully we get some nice trails there. Alright, so my camera settings are as follows: 8 seconds, 6.3, 100 ISO. Shooting after 2 seconds again. Hopefully we get some nice trails. The only thing is the wind is blowing like crazy, so I don't know if it's shifting the tripod or not. Not too bad. A plane in the sky there, I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm going to try and capture the plane. There we have it. I actually really love that. Can't wait to edit that. Yes guys, I'm done with this location, and those were literally the only shots I wanted. So I wanted a bit of light trails, and I wanted to get the O2 Arena in the background.